If you haven't noticed, faceless accounts on Instagram are blowing up big time without showing any face, and lots of them do not even have voiceovers. But they are making loads of sales on their accounts selling their digital products. Hey guys, I'm Raquel, and on this channel I teach you the essential tools you need to make money online. If you're an introvert like me, or busy with kids like me again, or you don't even have time to wear makeup every day to record Instagram reels, then this video is for you. In this video, I will teach you the exact steps I took to create my Instagram account. You will want to watch till the end because I will be dropping bonuses and gems along the way. So let's get started. So number one, you pick a niche. Yes, the first step in building your faceless money machine is choosing the right niche. I recommend evergreen niches like personal development, health and wellness, business and finance, and creative skills. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What skills do you possess? Leverage your existing skills to create valuable digital products like templates, guides, or online courses. Share your knowledge and experience to build trust and authenticity. This was what I did when I started my Faceless Instagram journey. And if you want to know about my Faceless Instagram journey, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. So number two, you'll want to highlight a pain point and create your digital product. So now let's get deeper into your chosen niche. Identify a specific pain point and create a digital product that serves as the ultimate solution or the answer to your target audience's prayers. I would also like to suggest that you create a lead magnet that is just as attractive and packed with value, and offer that as a freebie to your followers. This will help build a loyal community. So point number three, time to set up your Instagram account. A great Instagram bio should be like a mini billboard. Attention grabbing, informative, and persuasive. You should ensure you have this information in your bio. You should first introduce yourself, create a catchy name or persona that reflects your brand and niche. For example, the budget savvy chef or the productivity wizard. Number two, you'll want to highlight your value. So focus on benefits, not features. Briefly explain how your digital products solve your audience's problems or improve their lives. Number three, you can also use keywords relevant to your niche and products. This helps people searching for those terms find your account. For example, time-saving tips and templates to conquer your day. Okay. Point number three, include a call to action. Tell your visitors what to do next. Direct them to your website, your landing page, your link tree, or your stand store. Okay, with clear instructions like shop now, get free tips, or join the community. For example, download your free planner now, link in bio. Conquering using emojis to add personality and draw attention. So here's an example of what I am talking about. Number four, keep it short and sweet. You only have 150 characters, so be concise and impactful. Every word counts. Use the line breaks and emojis to make your bios visually appealing and easy to read. In the bio, you'll want to guide your audience on where to find your amazing products. You can sell your goodies through various avenues. For example, you can use a website, right? You can consider platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Gumroad, or Payhip for a personalized shopping experience. You can also consider marketplaces such as Etsy and Creative Market, or you can use a link in bio, which will make it easy for your followers to use. For example, we have tools such as Linktree, Milkshake, or the trending stand store, which is a hot favorite right now. So let me show you an example of what this looks like, okay? However, on my Faceless Instagram account, I have decided to use a PayHip store. So here's a bonus tip. Keep your bio fresh, update it regularly to reflect new products, promotions, or special offers. Okay? So guys, if you're finding value in this content, please show your support by liking and subscribing. Your encouragement keeps me motivated to dive deep into these informative videos. So, point number 4. Now we're getting into the fun part, content creation for Instagram Reels. Now let's talk about the heart of your Instagram strategy. Content creation. Reels are your best friend here. So provide tons and tons of value and don't hold anything back. Instagram Reels will push your content to a new audience, bringing in fresh leads, guys. As for the different types of reels to create, I have created a video where I've provided tons of information on that topic. I will leave the link below, okay? Point number 5, how to create an Instagram reel. Creating reels is easier than you think. Start with a high quality images, videos, or screen recordings. You can use free resources from CANVA, Pixabay, Unsplash, Pexels, or Vidivo. I think I got it right. You can also record yourselves doing mundane tasks as pouring coffee or walking. So next, you can also insert text over your video providing value. So your text should have the following. It should have a hook, value, and call to action, which is 3 parts. So guys, most times you'll see the hook on the screen and the bold text leading persons to the caption area, and there you will provide value, right? You provide the value and the call to action, but you can insert everything on the screen as well. And don't forget, guys, you must insert trending music to grab attention. Now, here's an example of what I am talking about. 1, 2, 3, 4, let me scream if you want some more. So now, are you ready to sell your digital products using a faceless Instagram account? Let me know in the comments below. If you're still not clear about the types of reels you can create, then watch this video next.